Well, welcome to our second episode in this series of artificial intelligence in the legal sector. So what we're going to look into now is how does artificial intelligence contribute to the efficiencies in the law firms? So the first point really is about reviewing documents and legal research. Let's think about machine algorithms and how to find all of those mass amounts of documentation really quickly. Of course, it's going to reduce the load currently done by the human workforce, and it's going to reduce human error or misinterpretation of the documents. It will also do due diligence. It will help to perform due diligence, again reducing the workload of the human workforce, but it will be more accurate in confirming facts to provide things like public bodies, councils with all that information, corporate financiers, and any legal aspects of gathering information and producing that due diligence. Another key point is really reviewing contracts and the management of that. You've got to identify risks and issues within contracts in the legal sector, and then you've got to notify the right type of people of negative risks, to the firm and to the customer. Now, if you can identify in this contract what should be regulated by searching and getting quick information, it analyzes all those bulk contracts and there's going to be few errors. So contract review and management is absolutely key for AI. This next point is really close to my heart. It's better education possibilities for young lawyers entering as apprentices. So with AI taking over extremely menial tasks, junior lawyers will be geared towards an understanding of the needs of the client from an earlier age. Given greater responsibility is key for them and handling more complex tasks, so it improves the lawyer's capacity almost overnight. It can predict legal outcomes as well, so we can make predictions of outcomes of legal proceedings better than humans based on previous information on other cases, other judges. Again, it's about searching all that mass amount of data and producing quick results. So law firm AI has three key features: machine learning to train the AI using seed data sets before putting it onto client work, so it just gets better over time and it's a good test run. Output is actually presented in a well-reasoned and an evidence-based response. And of course, cognitive software that's been around for a while, but it learns from the feedback. It machine learns and it presents that information. It gets better over time. And finally, to round off this session, introduction of smart contracts. So what are we talking about there? Computerized deal protocols, which once coded will automatically implement contractual terms without the requirement of human involvement. How much speed that will have in the production of those contracts. And it makes sure that contracts cannot be ambiguous.